Well, hello everybody. Welcome back. And I'm Mobius 120 or Drew 2. All right. And today I will be looking at the Rubbertoe Replicas 10th Doctor Sonic Screwdriver by Rubber. Yeah, right. So, here we have it. It's in a nice, beautiful tin box, just like this. Mm-hmm. With a little sticker there, yeah. So, let's open that up. Give me a second. Okay, there we go. Now here we have a note with some care instructions and a little bit about the Sonic itself and saying congratulations on your purchase. This is the 10th Doctor Screwdriver, yes, by Rubbertoe Replicas, and it's screen accurate and everything, and battery replacement and stuff like that, and all that good stuff. So yeah, put that there for a second. Now here we have the certificate of authenticity. Yep, so it's the 10th Doctor Sonic Screwdriver by Rubbertoe Replicas. Certificate of authenticity. And this is IM number 216 of 300, made by Nick Rubbertoe. And there's a lovely signature right there, as well as that there. So it's pretty good with the DW Doctor Who insignia logo, which is from the 11th Doctor's time, but it's alright. On the back we have the TARDIS in space. It's very lovely with a little Gallifreyan text. And this is the vortex from the 9th and 10th Doctor's time. So yeah, it's pretty good. So let's get on to the screwdriver. So there we have a little window there, looks like, a little cutout with a little more Gallifreyan engraving text, and there's a little peek of the screwdriver. Yeah, so this is a nice, good protective foam it has here. So let's take that out. And here is the screwdriver itself. There it comes with a stand, two kinds of stands. Well, this one clicks into this one in the center of this right here. Well, I'll take the screwdriver out and you'll see that. So yeah, I guess I'll take this out for a second. So yeah, this is the stand it comes with. It's 3D printed, and it's supposed to be the 9th and 10th look like the 9th and 10th Doctor's console from the TARDIS. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah. Alright, so I guess I won't get into the stand too much, I suppose. And here's the screwdriver itself. Yeah. Absolutely beautiful, I must say. Yes, it comes with the end cap, which is beautiful. And yeah, two grub screws, one here and there. That's if you want to take this piece off completely with the slider in it, I think. Yep. And yeah, quite a beauty. The ridges are very nice, nicely detailed. The crackle is incredible. The crackle detail, as you can see here. Wow, yeah, it's excellent. This is all very clean, very smooth. It's very nice. And yeah, the teeth, that's really good. And these like struts, I guess you call them, they're very nice and fine and pretty good. And the emitter dome, beautiful, incredible, yeah. And yeah, it's nice. The solder plate is pretty good, yeah. So yeah, and now we can slide it up. It slides up very nicely, very easily. And as you can see, the yellow wire twist in there for the channel. and I believe this is acrylic, and the rest of it is aluminum or aluminium. Yep. So yeah, as for features, functions and features, yeah, it slides up, slides down, and got one. The sounds, it has two sounds and two hidden sounds, which this sound chip is the sound chip from the 11th Doctor's CO toy. And you click twice for the one sound. Or 3 times, excuse me. And then I think it's 4 times for the last one. Or was it 3 times? There we go. So yeah, overall I think this is an excellent piece. It's very well made, machined well, very well. And yeah, it's just a beauty, a work of art. As I said before. Yeah. And if I remember, this piece screws off this end cap to a little more access to the battery compartment there. Now I'm not gonna take the grub screw out of this to open the batteries for now. So yeah. So yeah, it's pretty beautiful. Now I have a little comparison here. This is the CT 10th Doctor Sonic Screwdriver 11th hour model. And as you can see, the ridges, they're a little different. That's one of the big things I noticed about these two. The ridges are definitely a little bit different. The end caps are pretty identical. Yeah, and the blue strip, well, for this one, the CT, this blue strip glows in the dark, which makes it a little unique, I guess, yeah. And yeah, this one is pretty good. Interesting. Must be due to age. So yeah, these are my two excellent props. I love them. The Rubbertoe is really excellent. And yeah, I also have the CO toy. This one has the 4 sounds. Just like on the War Doctor's screwdriver. And yeah, as you can see once more, let me see here, yeah. Clearly the big difference in the size. Yeah, the CO toy is much bigger. And yeah, the Rubbertoe replica is dwarfed by the CO toy, especially in open mode. There we go. Yeah, it still towers over it. So yeah. Alright. So there we have it. The 10th Doctor's Sonic Screwdriver by Rubbertoe Replicas. It's an awesome piece. I love having it. I've had it for a while, and yeah, it's pretty good. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Like and comment and all that good stuff. So yeah, goodbye.